All right, guys, today we are working on a 2018 Audi A6 with a 3-liter supercharged engine. Currently, the loudest thing about it is the supercharger, but hopefully we can make that change with this AWE Touring exhaust. We've got the black chrome tips and everything we'll need to get it set up. So we're gonna get the OEM exhaust down, throw this up there, and then take you for some after clips to show you how it sounds. All right, so we've got to get the old exhaust out, and in part that'll be removing this brace as well. One thing about this particular exhaust is it changes where the exhaust sits a little bit. Essentially, being that we're going from a boxy tip to round tips, it drops everything down, which could create a problem with clearance in a few areas. So we've got some spacers that come with this AWE exhaust that will drop everything down to the ideal location, both here and at the hanger locations. So we're gonna get everything pulled apart real quick and we'll get everything put back together. Alright, now that everything's up and installed, all of our clamps are tight and hangers hung, we're going to get this thing down, take it out, and see how she sounds.
What?